The most important attractor in a swing is maintaining optimum length of the abdominals. Due to their structure, they have a very small force-length relationship in which they can perform optimal. One of the indicators of proper length is trunk extension in rotation, or chest out when rotating, as you see in these videos. The problem is that we don't always hit the same pitch, and there's a lot of variation during hitting. Inside, outside, high, low, fast, slow. In order for us to transfer this energy towards this variable location, not only the timing is essential, but also learning to organize our organismic structures to optimally transfer energy in the swing. The environment dictates this self-organizing solution. Chest out when rotating facilitates a barrel turn by supinating and pronating both arms. Here you see a couple examples. The exercises we feed the learner need to give the right information and challenge the learner to find a new solution for this problem. In order to control this movement, some elements need to be stable and robust, and some elements need to vary to adapt to the environment. The barrel turn facilitates covariation, which leads to more solution space in order to hit the ball. If there is no covariation present, it will require a window of timing smaller than the central nervous system can handle. Here we see the covariation in play. Above, an A to B control, just one contact point. Below, covariation, which facilitates the barrel turn, which gives you more solution space in order to hit the ball. Thus, the barrel turn leads to more variation, which means more options and more solution space to hit the ball. This will widen the chances for a positive result for the hitter. Do you want to know more about the dynamical system approach to individualized training? Make sure to register now.